What's good, family? As a trader, are you constantly just switching up strategies? Are you trying to navigate through multiple time frames? When the market throws something at you that you don't really understand what it is, you're switching time frames, you're switching strategies, you're trying to be a scalper, you're trying to be a day trader, you're trying to go long, like you're trying to do puts, you're trying to do calls. If you've ever been in this situation, this video truly is going to help you. And the reason why is because, honestly, you're really just one decision away. Either you're going to be a sniper, either you're going to be a long-term investor, or you're going to just be all over the place. And that is truly not great for you as a trader. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to just break down the time frames for you so you can truly know like how you can get in the game and find your comfort zone as a trader. That's right. Once you find your comfort zone as a trader and you know what time frame truly works for you, it truly becomes of you just understanding and mastering that time frame. Now, there is a thing called multiple time frame analysis, top-down analysis. Those are really, really good. But what happens is you start to learn what time frames fit you best. So for me, as a swing trader and as a leap trader, I like to go through the daily, the weekly, 4 hour. I like to go through weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and I make my entries based off my 1 hour time frame, right? That helps me out a lot. Now, I'm not trying to look at the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 5-minute. That's not for me, right? So in this video, we're going to truly help you. I'll give you some clarity. So here's what I want you to do before we get started. Man, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe, and I want you to share this video with somebody. I also would love if you took the opportunity to just get in the comments and tell us like, yo, is this video helping me out? This video is not helping me out. Things like that. If we can get you to do that would truly help us out, truly help the channel grow. And for that, let's tap into the video. Let's get into this. I wrote a couple of things down, right? So the scalper is more like a street fighter, right? And that person is going to kind of use those early time frames. They don't want to be in it too long, not even the whole intraday. They're looking for a moment. They're trying to get in. They're trying to get out. And the reason why they do that, they can thrive through the volatility. So for me, when there's moments where the market is in what's called consolidation, where it's really tight, a scalper can get in there and get what they want to get and come up out of there real quick. Not even a whole day. We talking 15, 20 minutes, maybe even an hour. They good. Maybe even 2 hours. They good, but not intraday, right? And so those are scalpers. They're looking for that. Now, you got to have high adrenaline. You got to have a lot of fortitude. That's what most people get at, right? Because as a scalper, every second really counts for you, right? Every second matters. Now, for me, because I like leap trade and deep swing trade, like I'm not so concerned about the second or the minute or one candle really throwing me off. I can kind of stand through some of the pain and the pressure that comes with just being in the market, and I'd be cool, okay with it. But as a scalper, you want that, you know, you're looking at that 1 minute, that 5 minute, that 15 minute, maybe that 30 minute. You're not even worrying about the 1 hour chart. That's like a long distance relationship that you don't want no part of it. And so you somebody that know you can handle volatility. If you somebody that know you want that excitement, that thrill, but not only that, you can handle the pressure of being that scalper. That's the thing. You got to be able to have your emotional control to be able to withstand what scalpers go through in that moment. So if you can withstand that and you know you're good with that, then hey, scalping cool can't be for you. Let's go a little further. Let's get into our day trader mindset. So the day trader, you know, you're more strategic, you're more disciplined, but day traders really aren't gambling, right? They kind of look at it like they managing a chessboard, right? They strategic with their plays. They want to look at some things. So they're going to go through that 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. That's the farthest they going. But that 5 minute is where they're going to probably be making their entries at 5 and 15. So they're going to go 5, 15, 30. You start getting into that day trade when you start looking at that 1 hour. 1 hour is where they maxing out at. They ain't really going that far, right? But for them, it's all about timing, right? They not hesitating. They see it, they wait, boom, they in it, and they're going to let that thing map out and play out. Side by side, though, a day trader and a scalper actually may look the same, but the difference is the day trader really want to hold it a little bit longer. So they're looking at that 5 minute, 15, 30 minute, 1 hour. That's it. Scalper not going 30 minutes. I mean, they're not going 1 hour. That's too, they're like, oh, why you got it so long? Fam? Like, we not in it that long to be, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we truly want to do with that. Now, let's go a little further. Right, as we go a little further, now we kind of get into like my time frame and kind of what I like. I like to be a swing trader. So a swing trader, you want to hold a stock for overnight. That's your game plan. As a swing trader, you thinking overnight, maybe a couple days, maybe even a week, depending on if the trade is still going your way. The great thing about swing traders that I know that I rock with, like long as the trend is still rocking out, they gonna rock out with that trend, and I'm 100% cool with that. I'm okay with that. I don't have a problem with it. And that's gonna be more of your swing traders. They're gonna be looking at that, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. That's kind of where they at. They can see what's going on. The market not gonna really hesitate. They kind of like zooming out a little bit, right? Just a little bit. They won't look at the day. So there's in the daily, right? So they gonna go to that daily chart. What is those daily charts really looking like for them? So that's kind of that swing trader mentality, and that's where you want to be at. That's cool. That's their bag. That's how they feel good. Now, for me, we gonna get into something what Trap like to do. Now, me personally, I'm gonna go a little further, right? I'm gonna be into the deeper swings and then almost into what's called that position trader. And so for me, what I want to do is I want to look at that daily, I want to look at that month, that weekly, and I want to look at that 1 hour, 4 hour, and I'm gonna make all my time. A lot of my interest is gonna come off that 1 hour chart, and the reason being is because if I'm gonna look at that weekly chart, I'm gonna see where the stock is for the week, and then when I look in that daily chart, I'm gonna say, okay, I see where we at on the day, and then I'm gonna get into what? I'm gonna get into that 4 hour. That 4 hour gonna take a lot of the noise out, and it's gonna look clear. And then that 1 hour, I'm gonna add a little more noise in it so I can see some things that's in the way to give me the build up. Think about it like this: a daily is gonna be one candle, a 4 hour now gives me two candles. So now you may have one long candle on a daily, but on a 4 hour, now you have that candle broke into two. That's another set of information. But now in a 1 hour, now you have 6 different candles that's showing up. You know what I'm saying? So now that's a whole new ball game. And then that's why I'm making my interest now. I'm looking at those 6 candles like, hey, here we go. This is why I'm getting in. So what happens is that then that weekly, you get one candle, right? And so now you're getting all the days packed in that. So what I want to do as a deep swing trader and then going into a position trader, for me, what I want to do is look at that monthly. Where is the stock on a month? I'll check that once a week, right? To see, has the candle got up? Has the candle gotten small? What has the candle done? I'm okay with it. And then I'll get into that weekly. Now the weekly, I'm getting to say, hey, here's how it's positioned. Every week I get a new candle. So we got a green candle over the third week of the month. You know what I'm saying? And if we don't just have nothing that comes swipe us out, then hey, I'm good with that. And then we have that one day. So now every day gives me an idea. But what happens is these candles tend to take a little longer to form, which allows me to be patient, which allows me to navigate the market in that way, which allows me to consistently just move forward. So again, for me, as I go from deeper swing to leap, but for me, I don't go all the way a year out. I'm looking at 12, 10 months, 9 months, like that. That's what I'm looking at. So I hope you can get some help in this. So now you can know if you a snipe, if you a scalper, you looking at that, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, you may go 30 minute, I'm out of here. I'm in and I'm out. But if you going day trade, now you going 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, daily. That's your zone. You ain't going up. Now we talking swing trader. Now you going probably 30 minute, 1 hour, one day. You won't really see how that go. And then for me, it goes a little into the deep swing, and then I go into the leap option. So that's kind of my bag right there. Never want to truly be in a day trade too much. That ain't my bag. That ain't what I do. So I just wanted to bring that out to y'all, show y'all what we had going on. And I hope that this helped you all. I hope this helped you all get an idea what's going on, where we going at. And I hope this truly helps you understand what time frame fits you best and fits your style best as you become better at trading and evolving the market, man. So it's your boy, the Wall Street Chopper. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this video, but also share this video so that this helps the channel, man. I see y'all in the next one. Salute.